Alright, so check this out. Got a backyard Nile River going on here. Normally you can walk out to that little lump of den stuff right there. Not a problem. But due to the NH ice storm, you can't. Yep. Normally just a calm stream. Now a raging monstrosity. Now my camera's getting wet. Alright, over here we got some more severe flooding, all due to the ice storm and all the water that's been coming down and melting and all that stuff. See if we can get a little closer up here. Whew. Cold. Alright, so like I said, normally the stream is just a couple feet across. Now it is many feet across. And there's one lonely leaf. Huh. Interesting. Whoa! Ice down my back. And we're back. Now that there's no more ice down my back. Alright. So, it's plain to see there's a lot of water. I actually just walked my cat out here a couple days ago. Out to that little tree fallen branch thing. Out across that log. Onto the tree. He had a great time, and so did I. And now there's more ice falling. This is crazy. Look at all that. That's all ice. It's not snow, that's ice. Jeez. What do you know? More ice. A log crossing the stream. Well, normally it would cross the stream. Normally you could walk right across. But you can't, because you get wet. And your socks would get all wet. And your feet would get wet. And you'd probably get pneumonia. But at least you get to have lots and lots of hot chocolate. Alright. So you can see the trees just going up right from the middle here. And that's because normally this is all dry ground. All dry. Ow! Ow! That was just a piece of ice hitting the camera. Yeah, normally this is all dry ground. You can walk right across, right through, do whatever you want. Maybe play some paintball in it or something. Not that I have. Probably should though, that'd be fun. Alright, we're about reaching the boundaries of what I can walk through safely. It's a very dangerous mission. All to bring you people who have never seen an ice storm, a piece of this ice storm. Alright, so we're going to be coming up to the lagoon in about 1 second. Whew, that's pretty. Not sure if you can see anything, but you can see the obvious flow of the stream coming through here. Usually it's just an inch above the ground. You know, it's not that deep. Now it's very deep. You can see the sun coming through the clouds over there. More ice falling on me. Whew. Much more ice. Oh, check it out. This tree is foaming. I'm gonna take a picture.